life I had before. No one told me it'd be easy. Blisters, silence, doubts that hit me. Every step was asking why. Every mile, don't you lie. No one's watching, no applause. Just me facing what I was. I walk Camino Podolico to see how far I'm ready to go. Not to escape, but to know what I'm made of deep below. I walk Camino Podolico through the doubt, I feel it grow. And if I make it to the end, I won't be the same again. Heavy steps in a restless mind, leaving who I was behind. Every mile strips me down, drops the weight I used to crown. Step by step I start to see there's more inside of me. I walk Camino Podolico to see how far I'm ready to go. Not to escape, but to know what I'm made of deep below. I walk Camino Podolico to see how far I'm ready to go. And if I make it to the end, I won't be the same again. You think you need to change your life? Start with Camino. You think you've lost your way? Start with Camino. You think you're not enough? Start with Camino. You'll meet a version of yourself you've never I walk Camino Podolico, and I finally start to know what to keep and what to let go. What I'm ready to outgrow. I walk Camino Podolico, listening to rivers flow. Feels like I already know what I need to change back home. No matter what questions, the answers is here. Just walk our Camino. Have you ever been to Ukraine? No? Then you don't get it. Say my name, Ukraine. Feel that sound, Ukraine. From the ground, Ukraine. All around, Ukraine. Feels that move like waves. Sky that never fades. Have you ever been to Ukraine? No, no, then you don't get it. Call it out, Ukraine. Hear it loud, Ukraine. Feel it now, Ukraine. This is how, Ukraine. Don't say much, just come, Ukraine. Ukraine. This is your sign to do it scared, do it late, start it messy. You don't have to be great. This is your sign to stop playing it safe. No perfect moment, just start anyway. This is your sign to book the trip, go alone, post that video, even if it feels wrong. Wear what you want, even if they all stare. Say what you mean, even if it's unfair. You keep waiting for a version of you that doesn't overthink everything you do, but she's not coming. So what you gonna do? This is your sign to do it scared, do it late, start it messy. You don't have to be great. This is your sign to stop explaining your plan. No one really knows it, they just act like they can. This is your sign to leave what you outgrew. Text I miss you or don't, that works too. Cut your hair off or dye it insane. Be a little different, you'll survive the change. Nothing's that serious. You're allowed to try. Listen, I'm from Ukraine. For a long time, we lived like life would start later. Like there would be a safer moment, a better time. And then one day, a rocket lands somewhere near you. And in that second, your whole life flashes. And you don't think about what you did. You think about everything you didn't. All the things you postponed, all the versions of you that never got a chance to exist. So if you're still waiting, maybe don't. This is your sign to